Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm simply going to show you how to unfollow everyone on the Threads app. Now, if you just downloaded and installed the new Threads app, but you followed a bunch of accounts that you now regret and you wanted to unfollow all of them, I'll show you how to do that. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, simply hook towards your Threads mobile application. Then you simply have to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So, here basically you cannot see any of the following options. So, in order to check your following list, you simply have to tap on list little follower. Now here at the top you will see the option of following, so go ahead and tap on that. Now here it will show you all of the list of the people you have been following on Thread. So if you want to simply unfollow someone, simply tap on that following, and after that the particular person will be unfollowed. So you simply have to unfollow everyone by simply tapping on following button, because there is no particular way to delete all of your following list at once. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.